16,000 plus inside the stadium, more than 5,000 outside the stadium. After Brisbane, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to rock Sydney. After a power-packed address to the Indian diaspora at the Madison Square Garden in New York, this is MSG round 2. It only promises to be bigger. That is what Australians insist. That is what Indians in Australia insist. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be speaking at the Alphonse Arena at the Sydney Olympic Park. Now, in his 6-hour visit to Sydney, the Prime Minister will attend the reception by the Indian community hosted by the Indian High Commission. He'll also address the Indians at the Olympic Park. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to recreate the magic at the Madison Square Garden. Reports say Modi's event at the arena has broken all records of booking at the venue already. 23,000 people have signed up to attend the event. Major arrangements have been made both outside and inside the arena. And headlines today is Rahul Kanwal and Shweta Singh are reporting from Ground Zero. We'll get you their reports. But before that, the Prime Minister hasn't had a moment to spare. He's pitched India Inc. very strongly in Brisbane. He spoke to the business community. He spoke to leaders, the business leaders in Sydney earlier this morning. The pitch, hard selling his Make in India program to Australian investors. As much as the industry, the announcement also was accompanied by his claims, by the accomplishments his government has had in India already, promising that investors will find a change in India under his government. Among the points listed by the Prime Minister were a promise that investors will no longer have to reach opportunities through uncertain and unpredictable pathways, crossing hurdles along the way. Eliminating unnecessary laws and regulations, making processes easier and shorter. Also, ensuring that his government is more transparent.
We have launched a major set of reforms to boost economic growth and improve the quality of life of our people. We have made our policies transparent and predictable. We have made our procedure clearly defined and smooth.
And headlines today is Rahul Kanwal now joins us from Sydney, from Ground Zero. Rahul, you were there at Madison Square Garden. Does Sydney promise to be bigger and better?
आगे बढ़ाएं, ऐसे इंडिया को आगे बढ़ाओ, वही हमारी हिम्मत है.
Okay, let me try and speak to some of the people who are performing over here. अच्छा ये बताएं, आप लोग इस वक्त लाइव है हमारे चैनल पे, आप अपने ब्रांड के बारे में कुछ बताएं.
This is a group called Shiv Courage Sydney. We have been preparing for Modi's arrival for last 2 months. It's an honor for us to have receive Modi at this international stage. We will be receiving Modi about 20 past 6 in the live arena. We will introduce Modi to the 50,000 crowd. It's a big opportunity for Shiv Courage Sydney.
Now, let me walk you around and show you what's happening. There are people who are dancing in every corner of Sydney at this time. They're all here. Their only task today is to have a good time. Tell me, where have you come from?
We came from Sydney.
The former foreign affairs minister says ये crowd managed है. आप सबको पैसे देके बुलाया गया है.
नहीं, we came here specially for Modi. Jai Modi! 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 Modi!
Mr. Modi soon.
Come, let me walk you out of just this corner and show you what's happening on the other side. Hi, ma'am.
I'm Sushma Ahluwalia.
Okay, you're excited about being around.
Of course, we are really thoroughly excited.
Salman Khurshid says ये भीड़ managed है. सबको पैसे देके बुलाया गया है यहाँ पे.
नहीं. We wanted to come. हम अपनी जॉब पे like day off करके अपने पैसे जाने देने के बाद ही यहाँ पे आए. कौन बोलता है कि हम पैसे देने के लिए आए?
Are you Australian?
I am Australian. And
What are you making of this big jamboree?
this is crazy. It's beautiful. Good support.
Never seen any.
A lot of support for Australia.
I want to add something. I've been here for over 50 years. This is the first time ABUC has.
So that's the excitement in Sydney. This is Modi mania that's gripped Sydney. 16,000 plus already there. Another 5,000 who are going to be outside. Let's once again cut across to Rahul Kaval in Sydney.
Let me try and walk you back. If I can just escape from this crowd, it's almost impossible to walk around here. And this is when there's still at least a couple of hours to go for the event to actually begin. Let's see if we can just break away from this crowd. Huge lines already gathering here. Yes, tell us.
Modi ki leher. Modi.
Why are you so excited about
Modi ji.
Why do you love him?
Because मोदी जो है वो काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट कर रहे हैं इंडिया
क्या
में।
इम्प्रूवमेंट किया? अभी तो 5 ही महीने में क्या
कुछ भी है, जो भी है उनकी लहर आप देख ही रहे हो सिडनी में भी। Yeah, better than before. Modi.
What is
we
better?
are with Modi.
For economy and job opportunities required with Modi and Australian-India relations good. Because lots of job will come, IT sector, in energy sector, in all sectors, the cooperation is required.
जब से मोदी आए तब से फील कर रहे हैं कि now we are feeling like freedom country. पहले हम लग रहे थे like we are scared country, like not free. Now we are really feeling freedom. That's Modi.
उसने जो स्टार्ट कर दिया है, उसने जो प्रॉमिस किया था उसका ऑलरेडी एक्शन स्टार्ट कर दिया है. फॉर एग्जांपल ब्लैक मनी.
अभी तो एक चवन्नी पैसे की वापस नहीं आई.
It won't be happen overnight. It won't be happen overnight.
Look for the intent. Nobody so far has done that intent with which he's come forward. Welcome to Modi.
Black money back. We need a strong India.
This century belongs to India and China. Welcome. The only person who can do it is Modi.
मैं गुजरात से आई हूँ और मैं करमसद नगर पालिका की मेयर रह चुकी हूँ और मोदी जी इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. हमको इतना खुशी होता है कि हर माता हर बहनों को वो अपने राखी बंधाते हैं हर रक्षाबंधन के दिन. और हम प्राउड कर रहे हैं कि आज मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हूँ और मोदी जी से मिलने आई हूँ.
I want to take you at the back. We're not making much progress. I just want to pull back and try and take you. I just want to take you towards the back and show you what's happening. The crowds here are just increasing in numbers, so much so that it's now. There's also a big Buddhist contingent. They're here now rooting for a free Tibet. There's a South Indian contingent as well. There's big Guju contingent. Let's try and walk you across to the other side. Hi. So those are all the people who are here demanding support from India for the cause of a free Tibet. They're here asking for support. They've been reaching out. They've been making their own demands. Can I just walk through, please, if you don't mind? Okay. So tell us, why are you all here? What is it that you all are demanding?
Because we are welcome to Modi. He is very grateful to Tibetan people as well as many people, many countries.
So what are you hoping that Prime Minister Modi can do for the cause of Tibet?
Modi did all pretty much what we demand, and also Modi has been very supportive. And we're here to thank you, India, and thank you.
India!
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 Jai
Ho! Modi ji!
Modi ji.
Jai ho!
Modi ji.
Jai ho!
Modi ji. Modi ji.
Jai ho!
Modi ji.
Thank you!
Okay, come, let me now walk across to the other side and show you some of what's happening over here. These are unprecedented scenes, even by the standard of what we saw at New York. This is just one level above that.
Yes.
I'm a fan of yours and I see you so much on
We're
television.
live on Headlines today at this time. Do you want to tell our viewers what you're expecting the Prime Minister to say? What would you like to hear him say?
I think what I really appreciate is the spirit of the Indian community in Sydney, and it's really, in my 25 years of living in Sydney, I haven't seen the spirit which Indians are showing here. So that is really exceptionally good.
You haven't seen anything like this ever?
No.
It's probably never been anything like this.
No. It's beautiful, and I think that I have met youngest of the youngest and the very oldest person. They are really talking good about Modi, and they feel something different. They are really wearing hopes of India.
There's a Swaminarayan gang also over there. I want to take our viewers to show what's happening there as well. Just 1 second. So these are people from the Kerala Hindu Melbourne Society. Let's try and speak.
जय बोलो जय बोलो जय बोलो मोदी जी के जय बोलो मोदी जी की जय बोलो मोदी जी के मोदी जी के मोदी जी के
मेरा सवाल भी तो सुनो. केरला में तो बीजेपी है नहीं.
Yeah, there is.
There's no BJP in Kerala. Why do you support Modi?
Yeah, there is more BJP in Kerala.
It's not about Modi. It's not about BJP. It's about Modi being a strong person in India. He's making strong change to India to make economy bigger.
What change has he made so?
I don't think he's making changes. He's on the way to make more changes.
What changes are you hoping he'll be able to
Helping to become a powerful economy in the world, and no corruption in India.
Give him a chance and he will make it eventually. It is beyond the politics. He's a supreme leader. He's going to be the world number one leader. The number one leader in the world. Modi!
Let me try and go across the other side. Yes. So you are the one who managed to get a selfie with the Prime Minister yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Been showing off your selfie around?
Well, I had 10 photographs. I have put it on Twitter, and it has been retweeted 50 times till now. It's not a big number, but then we have got the interest going on.
Excellent.
In fact, we are all Kashmiri Pundits in here. All the Kashmiri Pundits in Australia. They have come from Melbourne, Canberra, and Brisbane, and people from Sydney too.
So what do you make of all the overtures the Prime Minister has made towards the Kashmiri Pandit community?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
What are you making about all the overtures the Prime Minister is making towards the Kashmiri Pandit community?
I think since Modi has come in, so many promises have been done by the BJP government, especially. But like for the last 2.5 decades, KP were ignored, and now it's been highlighted. So we are hopeful that something will be done. More promises, and we will see they are fulfilled.
Okay.
In short, we're really happy that something's actually being done for a community that was largely never heard. We were never heard for a long time.
So far, not a single Kashmiri Pandit's gone back to Kashmir.
Nobody will go.
We're not going to be able to go unless we can feel like we're safe in our own homes, and that's not going to be possible unless people like Modi, and that's real hope for us. So.
People will go to Kashmir only if there is democracy in there. They can't go to Kashmir if people are saying that the majority has to rule. It can't work that way. So you have to have a democratic Indian constitution.
Mustafa. That doesn't work.
You
that
can't
doesn't
have.
work.
Great. Thank you all very much. It's good to see you all in such big numbers. Thank you for speaking to us. I want to take you to one place before we wrap up this broadcast. Yes, where is he? Okay, 1 second. I'm told that a special guest has arrived. Can you just Ramesh Chandra, who's the cartoonist? Just 1 second. We're live on TV. This is not a good time for selfies. Just 1 second. Namaste. Where is he? 1 second. We're told that cartoonist Ramesh Chandra has now arrived. Here he is, in fact. Can my camera person Kirpal just move away from the camera, please? Here is Ramesh Chandra ji. Sir, namaste. पहचाना आपने हमें?
फोटो निकालो फोटो.
कैसे हैं आप? बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो कि आपकी जो तमन्ना थी मोदी जी से मिलने की
पूरा कर दिया आपने. हमारी तमन्ना पूरा कर दी.
नहीं हमें बड़ी खुशी हुई कि आप यहाँ पे आ पाए, कि प्रधानमंत्री ने आपकी कहानी देखी. हाँ,
आपको तो काफी लोग अब पूछ रहे हैं, काफी लोग आपसे बात भी कर रहे हैं।
सही बात।
तो आप की क्या बात हुई प्रधानमंत्री के ऑफिस में, उन्होंने क्या कहा? मुलाकात होगी आज आपकी पीएम से?
अभी नहीं हुआ, अभी शाम को
होगी, शाम को मुलाकात। आप खुश हैं? बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू वेरी मच। This is cartoonist Ramesh Chandra. Our viewers would recall his story playing on headlines today over the past 72 hours. He said he had no one who would take him to Sydney's Olympic House Arena where this big speech is going to happen. That dream now finally coming true, and you can see him choke with emotion. Very, very happy, and we're very happy that you could come over here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Just give us a moment. I'm going to toss back to our studios. Lots of people here, lots of excitement, and this excitement is building. Remember, we still have a couple of hours to go before Prime Minister Modi arrives here. This feels like India has just won the World Cup and everybody is out to party. I'm sure even after India has won the World Cup, the party will find it difficult to match what we're seeing. For the time being, I take you back to our studios.
So that big party in Sydney. Rahul, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. We will keep coming back to you for more.